Now here we are going to see how to mount the config map. So again we are using the same 4 files that we created earlier. So here we are going to say, let me little bit increase this. That means we are saying kubectl create config map. We are naming the config map as db config map dbcbm from file dot root password, from file dot database, from file dot username, from file the another file, that means user password. Now what will happen when we are going to run this kubectl get cm config map? It is showing 4 values, and with kubectl describe cm slash dbcm, it is going to show us the details about the 4 value. It is showing that your data is database. In database, what it contains: sample db, root password is test 1 2 3 4, and username is test, and your user password is test 1 2 3 4. So in our case, what we have done, we have created the config map. So this 4th value was from file, this one. Now how to mount the config map? Again we are going to create this pod cm mount test, and kind of object pod. This is the name test. So again, name of the container is c1, image is alpine, this is the image policy, command which are we are going to. Now this is important, volume mount, where we are going to mount in etc cm, read only true, and name cm volume, and which thing we are going to mount. So that we have to specify in volume, name, cm volume, config map, which config map we are going to use, dbcm. So we are mounting the config map dbcm at path etc cm. Now when we are going to create the pod by using kubectl apply -f, the name of the file, this pod will get created. With override option you can view the detail of the pod, IP address, and this on which node it has been launched, and how to view those value. So what we can do, we can run in non-interactive mode, kubectl execute test cm ls etc cm. So it is showing those 4 keys. Or we can enter into interactive mode, kubectl execute test cm -i -t, run this shell. So we will enter into the container ls etc cm. It is showing the 4 values. Now what we can do, we can delete the pod by using kubectl delete -f, the name of the file. This pod got deleted, and kubectl, now we are going to delete that config map also, kubectl delete cm db. Now we have deleted the pod and config map. Now we will see what is the other method of creating the secrets. So in our case, we mounted the config map. In the earlier video we have seen how to mount the secret, and now we will be looking at other ways of creating the secrets.